we're trying to pull accounts customs here and get a guy to pull over so we can talk to him about his car. I don't know. This might not work. We're gonna try it though. That works for fucking Danny.
Even got the body trim on. Let's see what we can do here. All right. Let's check this thing out. Eric, I'm Danny.
Nice to meet you, man. It's a pleasure.
This is Shannon.
Hey, you got a couple minutes to tell me about your car?
I got an appointment to make.
Oh,
61 Austan Healy.
61 Austan Healy? Nice. Oh, I understand, bro. Wow. Well, apparently a very busy guy, but 61 Austan Healy. Look at that. Oh, look, he's got... This is interesting. This is very interesting. All the notes to tell him what. I hope this is not a tarot card. Oh my God. Oh no, this is what happens when you pick it up from the dock. Oh. So when you ship a car here, they need to know how to work everything. And so this car just got here. No wonder I haven't seen it before. Nice little car, and this guy drives it like he stole it, I'm just gonna say. All right.
You found your way to my wacky world of cars
And art.
Thanks for joining. Don't forget to hit that like button, and please, I beg you, from the bottom of my heart, your subscription means the world to me. Thank you, and drive safely.
Only one way to go to an art show on Front Street. 1956 Jaguar and a bunch of whiskey cars. Get a shot of whiskey right before bed made out of British car parts. Rest in peace, Ocean, the water truck. So this morning I got up and realized that when I went to get a gasket for the carburetor, I left the carburetor at the auto parts store. So we're going to head back to Maui Auto Parts and go get our carburetor we left there and explore the shopping. Yep, there's a lot of shopping there. A dedicated store to VW on Maui Auto Parts. Here we go. Well, we're in the Maui Auto Parts. And never before have I owned a car that I could go to a store and I usually have to buy everything on eBay or something. This is like danger shopping. Can you imagine if this is Bootsy's car and then I bring her here and she can shop for stuff? Oh my God. I can see the first thing she's gonna grab is these bumpers. I don't know. Look at all the blingy bits. And this is just wall-to-wall Volkswagen stuff. Look at all this. What? Oh, I like the billet running boards. Oh, I'm coming back for those. Oh, I want those. Oh, 72 bucks. Wow. Oh, okay, running boards for sure. I don't know. Yeah. The previous owner of the Bug blacked out all the chrome, and I gotta do the opposite. All right, let's get to work. All right, so, I think I have everything I need.
the top hat gasket was, needless to say, defunct. Don't forget about that accelerator pump. That might need to be addressed. You don't want to see an angry unicorn, let me tell you. The sharp end of the stick is not a good thing.
Let's call it a number 2.
Just trying to get it to run and start and rev, and then I will have my friend Robert come and possibly tune it. But I noticed that the accelerator pump maybe wasn't working, and it came with the kit, so I'll probably pop that in and see what happens. But if I run the car anymore, Bootsy's going to kill me.
Okay. I don't understand.
She's a runner, but I'm going to have to call Robert, my resident VW expert, to rescue me and have part 2 of this adventure. It's not going to drive now. Something's definitely not right. At this point, I realized I needed to call in an expert. Cue Robert.
What a joke.
He drove his proper vehicle to work on a buck. He drove his VW. Oh, he's out in the sunlight. Oh, wow, they locked him in here. Oh. He's cleaning.
Brandon with the car cleaner. The float appears
Look at it.
to be set way too low. Usually the float is
Oh, really?
is on an even plane when it's correct.
Oh, I'm sure that probably had something to do with.
Was gas floating out of the top of the carburetor?
No. Oh, maybe.
If it was, that's because the float was too high. It comes out of the seam
Oh, cool.
when it's running. You'll see it. But let's, I brought some wipes and stuff to just go ahead and do it while I'm here.
Okay.
Just get her done.
Dude, did you get the weed yet?
No, what weed?
The happy weed, the peppy weed.
No, she left. I didn't.
Okay, no, it's.
You set some aside for me, huh?
Oh no, it's.
I didn't.
So
bother
well,
with
you
it.
can do this in the air conditioning. We don't have
No,
to.
I didn't want to do the smell in there.
This here's what we call a carburetor expert in his natural habitat.
Okay, where's the body of this thing? I'm cleaning that. That's right there. Okay. Accelerator diaphragm. Okay, now I'm putting the accelerator diaphragm on. The left side idle jet and the right side idle jet.
Oh, good. And
Just finish those.
Yeah.
Then I'll get back.
look it.
Oh, that's good. But yeah, I'll have this looking a little better.
Yeah, and the nice thing about Bootsy being gone and doing it right now is we can fire that bitch
That's why I
up.
say
We have no problem.
it should do it nice. This is the best setup in my opinion
Well,
for the little 1600. It's a
It-
1600 with a 2-port dual stage.
yeah, it looks.
progressive Weber on there, and man, that engine loves that.
And so these
It's
cars.
really fun to drive it on the street with that.
Well, and these cars have McPherson struts and stuff.
Yeah,
this is
they're
a,
really fancy.
This is a real. It's like a. It could be a real sports car.
Yeah,
this
you
thing.
can build the suspension.
So that's why I want to make. You know, I had this envision of making it. Bootsy will like it because it feels all tough and rigid. You know.
But what about the Fiat 850?
Well, that's exact. Oh, you saw the picture. What do you think about that?
It's gorgeous, man.
Right? Black on. It's got to be an A-bar. They didn't make black, and it's original paint. It's the original paint Survivor.
If it's an A-bar, it has
It's
A-bar with gold lettering
Oh.
on the sides, on the lower panels.
Oh, I think I saw the gold tags.
Or they took it off.
Oh, dude. You know what though?
It looks so cool because
But
it
the
is
thing
that
is
black
it's
and
no
gold.
matter what, it's originally black, right?
How many miles?
Yeah, I can get some A-bar badges, you know,
I
and
know.
some parts, and make my own. Which I don't, you know, it just people search for the black cars, you know, for that. Just like.
Oh yeah, the black is a rarity in any kind of
Exactly.
any fucking Italian car, right? Red, most common.
Yeah, and but they had a lot of bright colors too. Did you see my Steven Tyler painting start?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be
Yeah, dude.
it's gonna be cool.
Did you show it to Steven?
Well, I just started it. I gotta finish it. I got a commission
Did you ever see him?
all
You
the
probably
time.
see him all the time.
All the time, yeah.
Where's he? What's he hanging out? The art studios much or what?
He just comes out and makes little visits, you know, because the mall is right down the street from his house.
Right. So I figured it's nice to see him once in a while when I worked over there. Okay. Now we have a body. So when I took this out, here's our retainment spring. I modified it. Where is it? Somewhere. It's already on the body. Well, it's better off because I fixed that one secondary barrel that one day.
Yeah.
The question is, will it finally drive?
Playing with the carb, no one checked the fuel pump. See, that fuel pump was right. It fills that cup in about 2 seconds, 3 seconds.
Hey, thanks for watching and tuning in to JFW's crazy world of art and cars. Yeah, if you would be so kind to hit that like button, and please leave me a comment, and if you don't know how to subscribe, watch a YouTube video on how to subscribe, because you're here right now, otherwise you wouldn't be seeing it. Please, the subscribe button is really important, and it really helps me a lot as an artist, and you'd be so kind. I hate to beg, but hit that subscribe button. Mahalo. See you later.
What a joke.